Poverty mentality, the blind spot in reality in real life. We observe a thought-provoking phenomenon, the skepticism of the poor towards science. Why is that? Because they only believe in the tangible reality before them, and seeing is not always believing. When it comes to invisible scientific principles, they shake their heads in disbelief. For the poor, their faith revolves around one deity, cash. When discussing wireless principles or sound waves, they scoff, dismissing it as nonsense, simply because these things exist beyond their visible realm, like elusive fantasies. However, once the topic shifts to cold, hard cash, their attitude takes a drastic turn. Pull out some money, tell them there's a job to be done, and it seems like they only hear the word money. As for the details of the job, they couldn't care less. In their minds, money rightfully belongs to them, no questions asked. Grip the money tightly, and the nature of the work becomes irrelevant. The formidable power of this poverty mentality is a shared sorrow among humanity worldwide. It traps people in a quagmire where the future is unseen, causing reason and science to be callously disregarded. Perhaps true poverty doesn't solely reside in material lack but is also a shackle of the mind, preventing individuals from breaking free from their own limitations. Let's collectively reflect on whether we can shatter the chains of this mentality, enabling more people to glimpse a broader world.